Capturing high-quality video on a budget can be a challenge, but hybrid cameras now make it possible to get professional features without spending thousands. In this video, we'll look at 7 hybrid camera options across a range of budgets from $500 to $5,000. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade, there's a hybrid camera that will fit your needs and budget. Looking for a camera that delivers stunning image quality and seamless connectivity? The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is your answer. With a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, you'll capture every detail with vibrant colors. Thanks to the fast Digic 4+ image processor, low-light photography up to ISO 6400 is a breeze. Plus, the built-in Wi-Fi and NFC make wireless image transfer and remote control a snap. The 9-point AF system ensures quick and sharp focusing, while the optical viewfinder lets you preview your shots with ease. Its Rebel T7 is the perfect blend of high-resolution images, fast performance, and wireless connectivity in a compact DSLR. So it will elevate your photography to the next level.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
Next, we have the OMD EM10 Mark IV from Olympus. Packs powerful imaging capabilities into a portable, lightweight body. It has a 20.3 megapixel live MOS sensor and TruePic 8 processor for superb image quality and fast performance up to 8.7 frames per second. UHD 4K video recording captures cinematic footage. The 2.36 m.OLED viewfinder provides an accurate preview, while the tilting 3-inch touchscreen allows flexible monitoring and control. 5-axis stabilization compensates for up to 4.5 stops of shake for sharper handheld shooting, with 121 AF, built-in Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and an extensive ISO range of up to 25/600. The EM10 Mark IV is a versatile hybrid camera in a compact form factor. With an APS-C X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and X-Processor 4, the Fujifilm XT32 delivers superb image quality up to ISO 12800. It captures 26.1 megapixel stills at up to 8 frames per second or 20 frames per second with the electronic shutter. You can record sharp, colorful 4K video from the 6K signal. The camera has a compact, lightweight body with dial-based controls inspired by classic film cameras. With 18 film simulation modes like Eterna or Cinema, you can add cinematic looks in camera. Fast autofocus tracks moving subjects reliably. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you transfer images to smartphones or tablets to share online. Overall, the XT30 combines an appealing retro design with cutting-edge imaging capabilities. Designed for vlogging and content creation, the ZV1 packs pro-level video into a compact body with a 12.1 megapixel full-frame sensor that's just begging to capture stunning 4K footage with vibrant colors and minimal noise. And let's talk about customization. With cinematic vlog settings and 10-bit 4x2x2 recording, you've got all the tools to make your videos truly your own. Plus, the AI-powered autofocus means you can trust that your subjects will stay tack sharp, while the 5-axis stabilization ensures your handheld shots are silky smooth. Oh, and let's not forget about the directional 3-capsule microphone that's ready to capture your voice with crystal clarity. With its user-friendly interface, vari-angle touchscreen and zoom lever, the ZV1 is designed to make high-quality video creation a breeze. The Lumix S52 delivers pro-level full-frame mirrorless performance in a compact body. It boasts a 24.2 megapixel sensor that captures incredible detail and advanced autofocus that quickly locks onto subjects, ensuring you never miss a moment. With the new Active IS, providing up to 6.5 stops of stabilization, You can capture smooth handheld shots with ease. Its V-Log feature captures 14+ stops of dynamic range, allowing for advanced color grading in your footage. Heat dispersion technology enables unlimited 4K video recording, even at 6K 30p, while dual UHS-2 SD slots, a high-res viewfinder, and a vari-angle touch LCD make this camera a versatile tool for both stills and video. It's truly a powerhouse in a portable design, ready to elevate your photography and videography game to new heights. Designed for speed, the Fuji XH2S houses a new 26.1 megapixel stacked APS-C sensor and X-Processor 5 for incredibly fast performance. It captures 40 FPS RAW bursts with the electronic shutter and 6.2K at 30p or 4K at 120p video. The sensor's stacked design minimizes the rolling shutter, making it great for action. With 5-axis IB eyes, up to 7 stops, and a phase detect AF system with subject tracking, blurry shots are a thing of the past. An intuitive design with dedicated dials and abundant physical controls makes operation a breeze. With 10-bit F-Log2 recording, you get advanced color grading options. The bright EVF ensures clear composing and playback. Dual card slots, mic headphone ports, and wireless connectivity make it a multimedia powerhouse. If you need speed for sports, wildlife, or video, the XH2S delivers impressive technology in Fuji's classic analog-inspired body. Housed in a compact, lightweight body, the Nikon Z8 brings flagship power to a portable form factor. It shares the same 45.7 megapixel sensor and X-Speed 7 processing as the top-tier Z9, enabling 8.3K 60p NRAW recording and 20 frames per second bursts. The electronic shutter eliminates blackout for a clear viewfinder experience. With a 493-point hybrid AF system, intelligent subject tracking ensures tack-sharp focus on moving subjects. 8K video utilizes the full width of the sensor for exceptional detail. HLG, N-Log, and flat profiles capture a broad dynamic range for advanced color grading. The intuitive interface includes a unique 4-axis vari-angle touchscreen, making creative angles a breeze. For professional multimedia work where portability matters, the Z8 packs an impressive combination of speed, resolution, and advanced features into a highly portable body. So those were the 7 hybrid cameras for every budget. Do let us know what you think of these cameras, as we'd love to hear from you. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.